Flamingo Books. Enjoy with mathematics. Chapter 9. Ratio, Proportion and Unitary Method.
What is ratio, proportion, and unitary method? Ratio compares quantities. Example, 3 apples to 2 oranges. Proportion shows two ratios are equal. Example, 1 by 2 is the same as 2 by 4. The unitary method helps find the value of 1, like cost of 1 pen, to then calculate for many. Example, imagine you're baking cookies. Ratio, your recipe says 2 cups of flour to 1 cup of sugar to ratio 1. This is a fixed comparison of ingredients. Proportion, you want to make a triple batch. So, if 2 cups flour gives 1 batch, how much for 3 batches? 2 cups by 1 batch is equal to X cups by 3 batch. You'd need 6 cups flour. Unitary method, if 10 cookies cost $5, what's the cost of 1 cookie? $5 by 10 is equal to 50 cents. Now you know 1 cookie is 50 cents, so you can easily find the cost of 7 cookies. 50 cents by times 7 is equal to $3.50. What is a ratio? A ratio is a method to compare two quantities of the same kind with same unit by dividing the first quantity by the second quantity. In other words, ratio between any two quantities of the same kind. A and B is represented as a ratio B and read as is to B. Ratio is to B. Antecedent, arrow pointing to A. Consequent, arrow pointing to B. Thus, the ratio between 15 kilograms and 20 kilograms is equal to 15 by 20 is equal to 3 by 4 is equal to 3 ratio 4. Example, ratio of red cars to blue cars in a parking lot. Imagine you're in a parking lot right now, 28th June 2025, in Delhi. You count 10 red cars. You count 15 blue cars. We want the ratio of red cars to blue cars. First quantity, a red cars is equal to 10. This is the antecedent. Second quantity, the blue cars is equal to 15. This is the consequent. The ratio is written as 10 is to 15. To simplify, we divide both by their highest common factor, which is 5. 10 by 5 is to 15 by 5 is equal to ratio 3. Live example inside. This 2 is to 3 ratio means for every 2 red cars you see, there are 3 blue cars. It's a simple comparison showing their relationship. Both quantities, cars, are of the same kind and unit, number of cars. Example, find the ratio between 30 and 15. 30 by 15 is equal to 2 by 1. Is equal to 1 is to 2. 60 and 48. 60 by 48 is equal to 5 by 4. Is equal to 5 is to 4. Next example. Office has 1080 men and 900 women. 1080 by 900. 108 by 90. 12 by 10. 6 is to 5. Example, Karishma and Priyanka have money in the ratio 3:5. If Karishma has 480 rupees, how much money does Priyanka have? Solution: Karishma's money 3, Priyanka's money 5. If Karishma has 1 rupee, then Priyanka has 5 rupees by 3. If Karishma has 480 rupees, then Priyanka has 5 by 3 multiplied by 480 is equal to 800 rupees. Priyanka has 800 rupees. What is proportion? When 4 quantities are so related that the ratio between the first and the second quantities is equal to the ratio between the third and the fourth quantities, the quantities are said to be in proportion. In other words, two ratios are said to be in proportion when they are equivalent. For example, the simplest form of both the ratios is same. A, B, C and D are said to be in proportion if a ratio B is equal to C ratio D. Then we can write it as example. If 2 pencils cost 10 rupees, then 4 pencils will cost 20 rupees. 2:4 is equal to 10:20. Because both simplify to 1:2. A ratio B is to C ratio D, or a ratio B is equal to C ratio D, or a by B is equal to C by D. Proportion is equality of two ratios. Types of proportion. First, direct proportion. When one quantity increases, the other quantity also increases in the same ratio. Formula: x1 by y1 is equal to x2 by y2. Second, inverse proportion. When one quantity increases, the other decreases so their product remains constant. Formula: x1 multiplied by y1 is equal to x2 multiplied by y2. Third, continued proportion. When three quantities A, B, C are such that formula: A by B is equal to B by C. Fourth, 4. Compound proportion. Combination of two or more proportions used to solve complex problems. Example: the first three terms of a proportion are 30, 40 and 60. Find the fourth proportional. Solution: let the fourth proportional be x. Then we have 30 ratio 40 is to 60 ratio x. 30 multiply x is equal to 40 multiply 60. Product of extremes is equal to product of means. X is equal to 40 multiplied by 60 by 30 is equal to 80. Final answer is 80. Next example. Find the mean proportion between 3 and 27. Solution: let the mean proportional between 3 and 27 be x. Then 3 ratio x is to x ratio 27. X multiplied by x is equal to 3 multiplied 27. Product of extremes is equal to product of means. x2 is equal to 81 is equal to 9 multiplied by 9 is equal to x is equal to 9. Final answer is 9. What is unitary method? The unitary method is a problem-solving technique where you first find the value of a single unit and then use that single unit value to calculate the value for the required number of units. For example, it's Saturday, 28th June 2025, and you're at a fruit stall in Delhi buying mangoes. The vendor tells you that 6 mangoes cost 180 rupees. You only want to buy 4 mangoes. How much will 4 mangoes cost? Find the cost of 1 mango, the unit. If 6 mangoes cost 180 rupees, then 1 mango costs 180 rupees divided by 6 mangoes is equal to 30 rupee per mango. Calculate the cost for the desired number of mangoes, 4 mangoes. Since 1 mango costs 30 rupees, then 4 mangoes will cost 30 rupees multiplied by 4 mangoes is equal to 120 rupees. So, 4 mangoes will cost you 120 rupees. Final answer is 120 rupees. Example: if 10 men consume 3 kilograms of rice in a day, how much rice will be consumed by 15 men in a day? Solution: consumption of rice by 10 men is equal to 3 kg. Consumption of rice by 1 man is equal to 3 by 10. Hence, consumption of rice by 15 men is equal to 3 by 10 multiplied by 15 kilograms equals 4.5 kilograms. 15 men consume 4.5 kilograms rice in a day. Final answer is 4.5 kilograms. Next example. 39 packets of 12 pens each cost 374 rupees and 40 paise. Find the cost of 52 packets of 10 pen each. Solution: number of pens in one packet is equal to 12. Numbers of pen in 39 packets. 39 multiplied by 12 is equal to 468. Again, numbers of pen in one packet is equal to 10. Numbers of pen in 52 packets. 52 multiplied 10 is equal to 520. Given, cost of 468 pens is equal to 378 rupees and 40 paise. Cost of 1 pen is equal to 374 rupees and 40 paise by 468. Cost of 520 pens is equal to 374 rupees and 40 paise by 468 multiplied by 520 is equal to 416. Cost of 52 packets of 10 pens each is 416.